Hello, sir. My name is Rajarshi Tripathi. I am going to share a story. It based on the topic of journey. I remember that day. It was 2nd of February 2020. Me and one of my junior was going to play a tournament. It was held in Shivpur, Madhya Pradesh. I booked tickets for both of us before one day, and finally the day was come. The day was come when we have to start our journey from Kanpur Central to Savai Madhopur. The source station of my train is Muzaffarpur, Bihar, and it's supposed to come at Kanpur Central. Supposed to come in Kanpur Central at 10:45 p.m. and I packed my bags in afternoon, and after that I slept. I woke up at I woke up in evening at 7 o'clock, and after that I checked the live status of the train, and I saw that it was late for 2 hours, and I called my junior and told him the time of train, and we decided that we will go to the station at 11 o'clock. After that I took my dinner at 10 o'clock, and after that I checked the status of my train once again, and I saw that my train was late. My train supposed to come at 2 a.m. I called again to my junior, and I told him we will go there at 12 o'clock. After that I booked a cab 11:45 at 11:45, and 5 minutes later the cab came to me. The cab was came to me, and after that we off to station. My junior was waiting there for me at the station. I reached there at 12:30. After that I said go and get the correct time of the train from the inquiry. After 5 minutes later he came back to me, and he said our train supposed to come at 2 a.m. and we both are got upset. After that we went to waiting room and sat there. After 2 hours at 3 o'clock I heard an announcement which was that my train supposed to come at 6 a.m. and we I thought what to do, what not to do. I am in a fix, and I was really in a fix at that time. We waited there for our train. We haven't any option to do. After that at 6 a.m. I heard one more announcement for our train, which is that our train supposed to come at 11 o'clock in the morning. Finally at 11 o'clock our train was come to at platform. We abused to train and boarded in the train very quickly, and we found our seats and we slept. After some time I woke up, and I felt that my train was standing at the station, and I I went to main door of my coach and I looked outside. I was totally shocked at that time. I saw that uh, we are at the Kalpi station and our train route was via Agra. Uh, I was totally shocked and I came back to my seat and I told my junior all that things. Suddenly a tea vendor was came to me and I asked him what was going on, and he said some work on progress in that route. That's why our train diverted via Jhansi. Uh, then we relaxed and he smiled and told us, "Don't worry, sir. Your destination will come." After that, we reached Savai Madhavpur next day in early in the morning at 4 o'clock, and we have to travel further by bus, approx 65 kilometers, and after that I booked a cab from the railway station to bus stand, and we caught a bus at 6:30, and we reached Shivpur at approx at 8:30, and after that I booked a auto and went straight to the stadium. I saw that our match was started, and my captain said to me, please pad up, you have to go to bed. I replied to him, no, my body not supported me. My body not supports me. You send someone else to bed. He told me that we lost our 3 wickets and you have to go. Please pad up and go to bed. I padded up and go to bed on the crease, and after that I scored 115 runs in that match and we won the match. And after match in the evening, I shared my story to coaches and to selectors, and they all are appreciated me. They said that type of journey after that type of journey you played very well and you scored a ton for your team, and you won the match. This is story based on a true incident which has happened with me, and the conclusion of the story is that don't do anything at the last. Don't do anything. Don't wait for